Hey y'all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I just want to show you how to assemble our Star Box Cutable. The Star Box Cutable comes to you in various types of files that you can make larger or smaller by printing them out or cutting them on your electronic cutting machine, like a Cricut or a Silhouette. It's perfect to make a little ornament to hang on the tree, a treat box, or even a gift card holder. You can use the Star Box as it is, or you can decorate it with any of the mats that come in the kit, or any stamps, cutouts, or stickers that you wish. So let's begin. Cut out the Star Box, and if you wish, the mats. If you're using a Cricut, don't forget to ungroup the SVG files and then attach the dashed lines and hole to the base of the box so that the dashed lines are placed exactly and the Cricut cuts it out. Then just start to gently crease along the dashed, or if you've scored, score lines. You'll notice that in between the points there are full diamonds on one star and half diamonds on the other star. The half diamonds will be on the inside of the box. Choose what side you want to be on the outside and place adhesive on the half diamonds. I like to use double-sided tape or hot glue on one half and on the other glue. That way I get quick adhesion from the double-sided tape and hot glue while the glue dries and provides a stronger bond. Once all the lines have been creased, you can place the mats on the base now, or you can wait until after the box has been formed. Then fold over the star with the full diamonds. Mash up the edges of the full diamond to the crease lines of the half diamond and press closed. You got that? Okay, one more time. Fold over the star with the full diamonds and match up the edges of the full diamond to the crease of the half diamond and press closed. Once you get all but one side closed, if you want to add the mats or decorate the box further, you can do it now. And thread a ribbon or twine through the hole. Believe me, it's much easier to do it now than after it's closed up. Then just tie off the ribbon or twine. Now add whatever you want to the interior of the box. Then close up the box. And you're done. It's that simple. I hope you give the Star Box a try. Have a great day.